I'm James Quirk from Inkish TV, and we're reporting from LabelExpo Americas 2024. We're at the CERM booth with a North American converter customer of theirs. David Silbiger is the co-owner of Coast2Coast Print. David, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Just like to find out a little bit about your business. What's the background of the company?
Background of the company is in around 2004. This company was formed. We were in the telecard business, prepaid calling card business, and we've been doing that for many years. We took advantage of flexo presses then label presses, and we used to produce prepaid calling cards.
And when did you move into label printing?
So we moved into about 2017. As that industry was going down, we moved into label printing. Didn't go so well. 2019, we merged with another company who was in the label business, and we started to do the complete transition from telecards into the label business.
And what was the challenge about that transition?
The biggest challenge we had really was we had built a MIS system for our prepaid calling card business, and we used that platform to, go into the label business. And we found that a lot of data was getting lost, a lot of information, our press wasn't working, we weren't able to produce inventory, ship product, bill product, and we didn't really have control over our business.
And that led you to look for an MIS system that was dedicated for the label market and that would help aid that transition and maximize productivity, and that led you to CERM.
That is correct. Yeah.
So what was behind, I guess you would have looked at different options on the market. What was it particularly about CERM's software technology that attracted you?
Right, so I went out and looked. We're a research guy, we don't make decisions on the fly. And we looked at many other systems, and when we looked at CERM, the fresh platform that it was based on is what really spoke to us. It was internal, it looked user-friendly, and we rolled the dice.
And what's been the experience with the software since then? What kind of impact has it had on the business?
It's a great question. So when it came to, I always tell the story, day one, the implementation team shows up, and they start talking to us, and we look at them like they have horns on their head, because we don't understand a word they're saying. They're using terminology that we don't use in our business. And I'm like, guys, it's not gonna work. They're like, relax, give us a day or two. And what they've been able to do for us is create a start to end workflow in our business. We use every term CERM uses. All those words that didn't make sense to us, every word is used, every term is used in our day-to-day business. And they've been able to take us from inception, estimating, giving the customer a price they need, all the way to delivering it to the customer and being able to then go back when the customer has questions, give them the information they need at our fingertips. Our pressmen, they have all the data they need, substrates, colors, rewind, and everything that they need, everything is there. Inventory, shipping, billing, it's all encompassed in one, and it has changed the way we operate. We have been able to grow in the last 3 years, exponentially without bringing anybody on because of CERM. We're able to utilize our current staff and give our customers better service with more information than we were before.
Fantastic. And what kind of printing technology do you use, and what kind of which markets are you serving? What end user sectors?
So currently we are utilizing Flexo. That was our origination from the prepaid calling card business, and then we about 2 years ago we brought in a digital press, and that also is very different than Flexo printing. It's a multi-step process. CERM was ready for it. We were able to, from the estimating standpoint, from then in digital, going from printing to digital finishing to rewinding, it was all there for us to utilize, all there for us just to use in order to get it through the production process and then go back to rewind, shipping, billing. And it's all categorized. So when we look at our books, we know what's digital, what's Flexo, and that's really been important to be able to see growth on our different parts of our business without it all melding together.
Fantastic. Well, David, thank you so much for your time. Pleasure to meet you. Have a good rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.